To unprotect an Excel spreadsheet, you can use Microsoft Excel if you know the password. Start by opening the workbook with the locked spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel. Double-click the file name to open it. Then right-click the Sheet tab for the protected sheet at the bottom of the Excel window and select the Unprotect Sheet option. If the sheet is locked with a password, you will be prompted to enter it. Simply type in the password and click OK to unlock the spreadsheet. However, if you don't know or remember the password, you can use Google Sheets as an alternative. To do this, visit Google Drive and sign into your account. Upload the Excel file with the locked spreadsheet by clicking that New icon. Then selecting File Upload and choosing the file from your computer. Once uploaded, double-click the file to open its preview. Then click the Open With tab and select Google Sheets. This will remove the protection password, allowing you to edit the spreadsheet. If you prefer to work with the file in Excel, you can download the unprotected version by clicking the File menu, selecting Download As, and choosing Microsoft Excel. Then, choose a location to save the file and click Save to download the unlocked spreadsheet.